So I'm going to continue off of my last video to kind of simplify some stuff that we learned in calculus, specifically about slope or the gradient of the line and how that can relate to parts in calculus that specifically the derivative that I think relates to a main category of calculus, which is differentiation. So let me continue. So sometimes there might be 2 points on the vertical line. So we have this point on the vertical line and another point on the vertical line, 4 and 2. Sometimes there might be 2 points on the horizontal line. 1 point, which is 2 on the horizontal line, another point on the line, which is on the horizontal line, which is 4. Fuse or combine the two, you get this. So we see 4 and 2, 4 and 2 on the vertical, 4 and 2 on the vertical, 2 and 4 on the horizontal, 2 and 4 on the horizontal. Now, if you were to find the slope, you would encounter a problem. There are 2 points on the vertical line and 2 points on the horizontal line. This is the thing. When you are going to find the slope, there can be only 1 point or value being dealt with or used for both the vertical and horizontal line. So how do we deal with this problem? Oh, I don't have a question sign there. Oh, okay. All right, let's go. All right, so we have the next paper. Well, you will have to subtract the 2 points found on the vertical line. Then you will have to subtract the 2 points found on the horizontal line. Then, after you've done this, place them in a ratio y to x or construct them in a fraction y over x. So, on the vertical line, you have this point which is 4 and this point which is 2. You will have 4 minus 2. Remember, you have to subtract them, which equals 2. And so you have the horizontal line, the 2 points there. You have to subtract them. Yes, you will have to subtract 2 from 4 and you get 2. So the slope is 2 to 2 or 2 over 2. And that, will equal to 1. So that's it. That's what you will have to do. So let's move to the next paper. Oftentimes, when dealing with calculus, particularly in differentiation, you will see stuff like this. And I know this looks very confusing. Well, the above looks annoying and tedious, but in fact it's just combining all we have done so far. There are 2 points being dealt with, and you subtract them. Like on the previous paper, there are 2 points and you subtract them. So imagine this was the 4 and this was the 2 for the vertical line or the rise. You subtract them. This is the 2 points on the horizontal line. You put them together, you subtract them, and likewise. And remember, these are saying the same thing. Note, the above formulas are saying the same thing. The above can be used to find average rate of change, and we'll look at that in the future. How do you say this? What's the correct way? The correct way to say this is this. It's in quotation right here. Y subscript 2 minus y subscript 1 divided by x subscript 2 minus x subscript 1. That's the correct way how to do it. That's what my lecturer said in calculus when you have the little thing here. And what I used to say is y little 2, y little 1, but that's not the correct way. So we'll stop right here to go to the next video.